Yeah! How was it?
It's fun. You're up.
All right, guys, welcome back. We're gonna be taking the Explorer out for some snow time fun. I also got a GoPro mount for the outside, and we'll use the GoPro on the inside. We'll have to figure out where we should mount the GoPro.
All right, time to clean it off.
There's a lot of snow.
There is.
Maybe I should get another scraper.
Maybe you should get another scraper.
Yeah, seriously.
We need to take a snow selfie.
Yep, that's on there pretty good. Take a snow selfie. Hell yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and clean off the Explorer because you don't want all this stuff on there. Probably grab the other one from Zoe's car, and we'll be back. Really dark in here, but the crew's in. We're just letting the good old 4.0 heat up a little bit because it's been sitting for a long time.
It's been sitting for like, maybe about like, I don't know, since like
weeks.
Monday.
Yeah.
About a week because I went and did a grocery run.
Yep, but yeah, it's letting it warm up. It's got new all-terrain tires. We got a shovel too. I don't expect us to, like, you know, have to dig us out, but you know, it's always a possibility. It is pretty deep. And yeah, we got four-wheel drive, good old Ford four-wheel drive. So yeah, we're just letting it warm up and we'll be on our way. All right, guys, attempt number one to get out of the where we're there you go.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
I love
Sorry about the lighting, guys. It works perfect. There we go. We're friggin' off.
it. Just remember,
Already spinning.
it's not illegal to drive with lights on, despite however your parents reacted. As a
The
kid.
dome lights.
As a kid, it's not.
It doesn't matter.
It's not illegal.
The thing is that it's actually, if your windows are dirty, it glares.
Hell yeah. Woo! Give her some time to warm up, buddy.
Now we need to make the turn, guys.
Oh.
Oh God. Yep, so we're just gonna make this slow crawler. Neighborhood doesn't get a lot of traffic, so there's still like really high snow up in here. So yeah, we'll probably jump to our spot unless we get some more live action. Much better lighting out here. Hell yeah.
Well, guys, we made it to the to the spot too.
Actually,
We're out here in Tijuana, Mexico.
Yeah, we're out here in Tijuana, Mexico. It was luckily a really quick trip because there was no traffic.
yeah,
And for some reason, it's snowing here.
yeah, no, we're very lucky that it's snowing in Mexico right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I know we don't do too much content with the Explorer, but hopefully, yeah, hopefully this will get you guys excited too. Or if we do get like any Ford Explorer guys that want to jump on and watch some of our content too.
Yep.
Because we are a variety channel. We're not just a Camaro and Bonneville channel.
Yep.
Although that is good content and it's fun to make. But I mean,
Ford Rangers,
it is.
Ford Explorers, Ford Rangers, they're our wheelhouse. We like them.
Yeah, we like them a lot. This is my first car and I've had it since like 2014.
Yep.
It's maybe broken down on me twice. And
It's a bona fide race car. It's got a GoPro on it.
yeah, also look, it has 2 spoilers on the top.
Hell yeah.
That's exactly what that
Looks
is.
like you guys weren't the first people to do.
Yeah, we're
No,
probably
I
not
don't
the
think
first
so.
here. There we go. GoPro's going.
Awesome.
Send it. Send it, Isaiah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Okay. Hold up. Put my seatbelt in. I just want to experience this. Okay. Holding that. Holding that. Let's go! Woo! Honk. Woo!
Hell yeah. How was it?
It's fun. You're up. Davis is now in the Explorer. Let's go.
Woo! Oh god. Send it. Foot to the floor.
There's a curb right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh my god. Flip around. Yeah. Woo! Oh my god, yeah. Whoa, watch out. Yeah, good job. Oh my god. Good job.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh,
Okay, I just stopped.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Good job. Thanks for doing that.
You're welcome.
Here, let me grab the GoPro.
There's a period like
That was awesome.
Dude, I know, it's so fun.
Oh my god, good stuff. There's somebody just went by in a snowmobile.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's fucking awesome.
Oh, let's get buckled up.
Yeah, sorry. I'll wait for you.
Man, now we have to drive all the way back from Mexico. Fuck.
I know. Long ass
What a
drive.
bummer.
Good job,
I think
Isaac.
we missed all the good snow in, you know, the Northwest today.
Yeah, right. Isaiah's in the mood just to drift now. Oh my god. Here. Oh my god, guys. Just drifting in the snow is definitely one of the fun things in life.
Hell yeah.
Just going out with your buddies and drifting in the snow, hell yeah.
Dude, it handled it so fucking well today.
It
Yeah.
worked so well.
Holy shit.
You
Like,
handled it really well. You really sent it too.
dude, I swear, like, these Explorers and their four-wheel drive are so fucking good in the snow.
Yeah, he was in four high the entire time,
Yeah.
so it was sending all four wheels, which is awesome. Spinning all 4 tires.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head home, and we'll exit it out. Oh, that was a long drive back.
Yeah. Took us about
10 hours. I don't know.
no longer than that.
You dropped your glove too.
Well, guys, looks like we didn't miss any of the Northwest snow, especially
Oh, yeah.
the trip back from Tijuana.
Yeah, it
Ford
was
Explorer made it. 248,000 miles on this car, and it's able to
Yep.
still do that.
Hell yeah.
long.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to do some content with the Explorer on the channel.
Yeah, definitely. It deserves it.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, this car has treated me so well. I put on like 50,000 miles on it now since I've owned it, because I got it at like 192.
Yeah.
It's at 248 like right now, and that's like lowest miles I know, because the odometer stopped at some point and then restarted.
Yeah.
But like, no, this thing's been a beast. Like, I fucking love the car.
Yep. So yeah, we're definitely, I mean, like, using all our vehicles and stuff, and this definitely needs a refresh. He's got all the gaskets and stuff, so we're planning on eventually just giving it some TLC.
Yeet.
Yep. So I think that's going to end it. We have a Patreon if you guys want to help support us, and you know, if you like what we have, you know, on the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Really helps us out. So thanks guys for watching. We really appreciate it.